It's odds and end day. You're gonna see insulation. We've got HVAC going in. I put some new stairs in. We're gonna be painting all the things because it is crunch time.
Crunch time. Like, I'm a month behind crunch time.
I wish it was crunch bar time.
Yes, that would be good.
This used to be the shelves that were in the basement here. Zeb used them for temporary stairs. Not super sturdy, and while they're outside working on siding, I'm replacing them with these MDF, what are these, fiberboard?
Yep, make sure smooth side's going up.
Yeah, smooth side, it's dead tread, then I'll fill any of the holes, and then we're gonna paint them. I think it's smooth enough that you won't get too much texture if I have to. I might just like float a little lightweight, and then sand them smooth.
It's part of the rustic charm that we're going for. I mean, look at the brick wall behind you. That's probably just gonna get repainted.
I mean, I might wash it. I don't know how I'm gonna get to it, but anyways, one stair at a time. Also, I lost my cell phone down there, so when I get a little further ways
Before
down,
you put all the stairs on, you better go get it.
yeah, once I get a little further ways down, I gotta slide in there, risk my life, and grab my phone. I hope it's okay.
It'll be all right. If you put the claw up underneath there, you can pop that. Or do that.
So this is a really great floor adhesive glue. It's what we used on the subfloor in the house. We're just gonna put it on each tread to keep it from squeaking. Squeakity squeak squeaker. And this is the extension cord, in case anybody's wondering what the heck that is.
It's running to the compressor outside.
If every tread has a smooth and a rough side, we're putting smooth side up because these are gonna get painted. Solid wood would probably be the better option for painting, but this is what came with our construction kit. So we used solid wood on the pretty stairs. And this is what we got in the basement. I'm just making sure it's flush in the back. It's got a little bit of a lip in the front, but the treads, or what's this called? The stair frame is a little bit warped.
The stringers?
The stringers, that I knew there was a word for it.
Yeah, it's hard to get straight wood anymore. Unless it's manufactured. No, when I put the risers on there, you won't see that. Smile, Ty. So Ty is up here on the ladder, sealing up all the windows with the caulk. And I am currently up here on the lift while Jamie's doing stair treads. And I've got to finish the soffit up here. We're starting to put that in so that it'll match the old part of the house.
Zeb's brother Ty and Zeb are putting the soffit up. It may have taken us a week longer to get the siding done, but
If anybody asks, we still got to put vents in it.
we still have to put vents in the siding. And that will happen here in a little bit. Or vents in the soffit.
Yep. Not bumpy anymore.
Better Ty than me.
Hey, I don't mind the wiggly.
Yeah, that's not funny.
So we've been doing spray foam along all the creases and cracks and things here in the house. There's a house wrap, which is a vapor barrier around the house, which is fine. It also blocks moisture, but this is just gonna be extra because that's the way we roll apparently.
So before we put the electrical in, I've got to get all these seams foamed in. It's going to keep bugs out, it's going to add extra insulation and up our R value, plus keep out drafts. Once all the electrical and plumbing is done, then we can come in and roll in insulation in addition to this. I wish we could afford for spray foam on everything, but it's spendy. Yeah, we're doing it now before all these other steps because it's starting to get cold and you cannot spray it when it's under a certain temperature.
Does that look good back there? You got it? Are we flush?
Yep.
Long enough.
See? Oh, look at that.
We're gonna go back your way.
Just perfect.
If any of you guys have been following the channel for a while, you know that Ty's wife, Mariah, is one of our valued team members. And she can't lift more than 10 pounds because she's had a few surgeries, but we discovered that the shovel is 6 pounds and the broom is about 3,
Yeah.
and she can scrape Jamie's foam mess off the floor.
Yep. It's fun. Super fun.
She's just excited to be helping. She hates not being able to help.
I really wish that I could be up there, but yeah.
It's all right.
Sad days.
You're doing what you can.
But hey, this is helping, right? So.
Totally helping. Oh, someone put it back on auto. But I'm doing it because I like it. So by tomorrow, the siding should be on and about 3/4 of the house will be painted because I still have some spots here where I have to get to off the roof for the siding. I can't drive the lift over there.
So we're gonna be in the house in 2 weeks, right? I don't think you want to answer that question.
That's a wanna.
Make sure you guys are hitting up JRV Home and JamieRayVintage.com. Both those websites help support our channel. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jamie Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
and house videos for the next 2 weeks till we move in.
So this is what the house looks like with a spotlight on it. Ty and I, that mysterious shadow over there walking, have been knocking out the last of the battens on this side of the wall. And you can kind of see them. It's a little bit bright, but they're up there. And it feels really late, but it's only 9 o'clock. The city of Lehi has a noise mandate at 10. So even though it got dark at 7, we're like, you know what, let's just finish this wall. And our neighbors are so awesome. I talked to both of them next to us here, and they don't care. They're like, whatever, get the house done, it's getting cold. That's the spotlight stand. A large ladder with a Milwaukee spotlight up on it. Lights up this whole wall pretty good though.